Looking for top-rated vehicle wrap services in Murfreesboro, Tennessee? At Tint Guy LLC, we specialize in high-quality vehicle wraps that transform and protect your ride. Whether you want a custom design, full color change, or business branding, we have the perfect solution. Durable, high-quality vinyl wraps protects your original paint from scratches and wear. Custom designs for personal or commercial vehicles, easily removable without damaging your paint. Our expert installers ensure a flawless, bubble-free application with precision and attention to detail. We use premium-grade materials for a long-lasting, professional finish. From sleek, matte finishes to eye-catching graphics, we create wraps that turn heads on the road. Looking to promote your business? A custom vehicle wrap is a moving billboard that gets noticed. Style your ride, protect your paint, advertise your brand. Choose Tint Guy LLC for the best vehicle wrap services in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Conveniently located in Murfreesboro. Call us today at 615-410-3805. Visit us online at tintguylc.com. Upgrade your vehicle with a professional wrap today. Book your appointment now. Experience the Tint Guy difference.